Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can install the Valorant game into your Windows. So without further ado, let's go click into the process and it is just for free. So all you have to do is go ahead in the Windows search bar and open a browser. So let's open the Edge browser, click on it under the best match. Now maximize this. In the search bar, simply type Valorant. The same thing for the browser that you have on your Windows like Chrome or Firefox. Hit enter. You'll find the first option from playvalorant.com, en-us download. Click on that. So it's from playvalorant.com. And here you'll have this option download the game. Click on download. And the setup file will be downloaded. So just wait in a while. Now once done, click on it once and then you have to close this Edge browser. Now you have this button install, click on that. And let's just wait for this to be installed into our Windows. So let's just wait in a while. Now it has been installed. As you can see, you can already see the Valorant desktop icon on the right client. And now this is launching the Valorant game. So here you just need to simply sign in with your username and your password, and then that's it. You can now enjoy playing the Valorant game. So I hope this video helped you on how you can download and install the Valorant game into your Windows. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.